The smartest entrepreneurs making 6 to 8 figures online are one-person business machines. And they're all using Claude's entire ecosystem, Claude Code, Claude Design, and Claude Cowork, all running on Anthropic's newest model, Claude Fable 5 or Opus 4.8 to do 90% of the work. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use Claude Code, Claude Design, and Claude Cowork to find a winning AI business idea, design it, and build an MVP with a high-converting website, handle your entire marketing pipeline using Reddit and your own personal brand, close 5-figure deals with polished proposals, and have Claude grinding towards your goals while you're at the gym doing something else. One person, no team, no agency, just you and 3 Claude tools running an entire business.
I know that sounds like a lot, Ritesh.
But luckily, Claude makes it easy. Now, as an ex-big tech software engineer turned AI entrepreneur, I built apps that got $200,000 acquisition offers, scaled 200 plus AI businesses, and I spend most of my time building, shipping, and marketing while showing other people how to do the exact same thing. In fact, a while back, I made a video on this exact topic and it went viral. Hundreds of thousands of views, and I got flooded with DMs saying,
"Dude, this just changed how I think about building a business. Oh my God, this is amazing. Wow, can you make some more videos on this?"
But since then, the Claude ecosystem has evolved massively. And there are 2 upgrades you need to know about. One is Claude Fable 5, the newest Claude model. And yes, it's currently taken out, but it's gonna be back very soon. Now with Claude's newest model and a tiny 5-letter command that turns Claude Code into a self-driving employee, you can build the most successful business possible. So what exactly changed? See, Claude Code is still the backbone of your entire business. You give it a task and it plans, reasons, writes files, runs commands, reads your entire code base, and iterates like AI Superman. But now it's powered by Fable 5. And yes, right now Fable 5 is not currently available, but once it comes back, it is going to be on top. But otherwise, Opus 4.8 is still a great model to use. But here's an upgrade that actually changes how you operate. See, Opus 4.8 and Fable 5, while they both have their merits, Fable 5 being better. See, at the end of the day, the model doesn't really matter as long as it's one of the newest models. But what really matters is a new goal command. See, before Claude Code worked in turns. You give it a task, it does the work, it stops, it waits for you. If you fell asleep, you have to wake up tomorrow morning with Claude just waiting for you this whole time. So you basically be sitting there pressing enter like a babysitter. Keep going, keep going, keep going. But see, now things have changed. You type /go, describe the finish line, and Claude Code keeps working turn after turn on its own until the goal is actually met. And here's the crazy part. A separate model acts as a judge. Every time Claude finishes a turn, the evaluator checks the work against your goal. Is it good? Is it not done? Well, if it's not done, Claude keeps going. If tests are failing, it reads the failures, fixes them, reruns, repeats. You're not prompting anymore, you're setting destinations. So you could literally jump into your bed, go to sleep, wake up, and Claude will still be working. This is probably the closest thing I've ever seen to hiring a real employee in the AI world. And then you have Claude Design, which lets you go from idea to polished visuals, pitch decks, landing pages, UI prototypes, all through just a conversation. This kind of tool makes things like Figma and Canva no longer needed. So you're saving yourself $50 a month plus on subscriptions by using Claude Design. And Claude Design is already a part of your Claude Design subscription. And the coolest part is whatever you build in Claude Design, you can hand off to Claude Code, where it can turn whatever your design is into production-ready code. And now the next tool is Claude Cowork. This is the one most people sleep on, but I think it's the most powerful. Cowork is built for everything in your business that isn't code. Proposals, documents, client deliverables, knowledge work. It's like Claude Code's twin that went to business school instead of engineering school. So you're business major who used to color in his drawing books. But this is actually pretty smart. And later in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cowork to close 5-figure deals, so stick around. But most people don't even know these tools exist. But by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use all 3 to build a real, fully functional one-person AI business. So to make a fire AI business, you need to start with the idea. If your idea is pretty bad, then you're gonna have a pretty shitty business. Now, everyone wants a multi-million-dollar idea and everyone thinks about it all wrong. And you're probably one of these people, you say,
I don't know what to do. Is this something even people would pay for? Is this idea saturated? Is this even good enough? Should I build some more?
So instead of taking any action, you just get analysis paralysis. Or you don't get analysis paralysis, but you're constantly building, adding more features, and you're stuck in a building loop. And while months pass by and you have 100 different features, you still have no sales, no clients. Well, here's how to use Claude Code to fix that. You use its research and reasoning abilities to do the ideation for you. And this is the first place that Go command shines. Instead of micromanaging the research prompt by prompt, I open Claude Code and set one goal. Something like go research and rank 10 AI business ideas in whatever niche by demand, competition, and buildability. Done means a complete HTML report with sources for every claim. And then I walk away. I go to the gym, I get food, and Claude Claude browses, reads, synthesizes turn after turn, and when I come back, there's a ranked list of ideas with reasoning all in a nice, beautiful HTML page. With Fable 5 or Opus 4.8 under the hood, the analysis isn't surface level. It's actually weighing demand signals against each other like a real analyst would. Literally, AI is replacing humans. But listen closely, because this is where I take it one step further. I take the top idea and I say, now find me 5 Reddit communities where this pain point is discussed. Why do I do this? Well, Reddit is an unfiltered opinion source. People don't lie on Reddit. They give their honest thoughts because it's so anonymous, no one will know what you said 2 years ago or 2 days ago. And then I ask Claude to pull the most upvoted post complaining about the problem and summarize the exact language people use to describe their frustration. This is my market research. This is very authentic. And I have the exact words my ideal customers use to describe their own problem, which is gold for marketing later, which we'll discuss later in the video. And Reddit has a lot of subreddits and these different Reddit communities. These are going to be gold mines for your client acquisition channels. Now, before committing to the idea, the final step I do before committing to the idea is using Claude Code to do competitor analysis. I want to look at the reviews on Trustpilot, G2, any other review source, and see what are the biggest complaints that people are having of this product or service. And looking back at it, the ideation phase used to take me weeks, but now it's just one goal command and a couple of hours of Claude working while I'm not even at my desk. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so now you got your idea, but ideas don't get you paid. You actually have to build a solution. Now, honestly, I'm a software engineer who has been coding for 15 plus years. Now, I did quit my job last year, but despite having so much coding experience, I can't remember the last time I wrote a line of code manually. I vibe code everything, just like you. I use Claude Code for everything, for MVP, speed is everything. So why would I spend time manually coding when Claude Code can code better than me, do it while I'm sleeping, and just be way faster? And now I know a lot of you want to constantly add more and more features. I mean, I work with over 200 plus business owners, and one of the biggest problems for all the engineers who work with me is they love adding solutions and love building new features. But again, that's not gonna get you paid. But we'll talk about that later. Right now, we can talk about how to make sure your MVP is even built to be marketable. See, your MVP should look beautiful. And that's where Claude Design comes in. Claude Design lets you describe what you want and build it on a visual canvas. Full UI prototypes, landing pages, dashboard layouts, onboarding flows, all from a conversation. This has reduced planning time immensely and saves you hours of prompting Claude Code to fix this margin, fix this button, edit the color scheme. Instead, use Claude Design and you can pass in whatever you designed into Claude Code and it will create literally the exact visual that you've created in design. This is golden for solo founders. And this is how you go from design to prototype without having to go through Figma, hiring designers off of Upwork, and spending thousands of dollars in subscriptions and failed human workers. And now to build MVP even faster, we come into sub-agents via Claude Code. So this is where you might want to take a seat because this can get kind of crazy. When you're building a complex app, there are multiple tracks of work happening simultaneously. Backend APIs, databases, front-end, authentication, third-party integrations. Even with AI coding tools, you would normally tackle these one by one. However, with Claude Code sub-agents, you spin up parallel agents that each handle a specific slice of the build concurrently. One sub-agent is building your API endpoints, another is setting up your database models, another is taking that Claude Design handoff and building every front-end component. They're all working together simultaneously, they share context, so no one's stepping on each other's toes. This is the same as having a team of software engineers and designers all working together and you're just the manager. And this is where it gets even crazier. Stack the /goal command on top of that, and you just set the finish line. All features built, all tests passing, 0 lint errors. And the whole operation runs until the evaluator confirms it's actually done. Not Claude thinks it's done, but it's verified done. And this is insane for development because what used to take me a week of solo building, constant prompting, constant headaches, I'm now able to do in just a couple of days. In fact, look at this platform I built right here, all within 3 days of work. It literally has a team of AI employees that can build a business for me. And I'm not the only one who's doing this. My client Timothy just landed a $5,000 deal building an AI dashboard and email system for a client. He used the exact playbook I just talked about in this video. He designed the dashboard via Claude Design, hand off to Claude Code, and let Claude Code do all of its work and build this for him. Now, of course, there's some selling components to this, and we will talk about that in a bit. But right now, if you thought that you need to know how to code or how to be a software engineer or need a bachelor's in computer science like me to build MVPs, I hope I debunked that entire myth in your head. So now with your idea ready, your MVP built, here is how you get paid. This is where marketing comes in. And this is where most people struggle with. I mean, if everyone was good at marketing, everyone would be a millionaire, right? Now, the number one problem, if this is you, you should be upset at yourself, is after you finish building, you then start asking yourself, okay, now it's time to market. Boom, wrong order. You're already in the top 10% of failures. You start marketing before you finish building. And in this version of the playbook, your marketing has two engines, Reddit and your personal brand, which you probably have neither. So let's fix that. Let's start with Reddit. Remember, those 5 communities Claude found during ideation told you we were coming back to them, so this is the part of the video where we come back to them. You already have the most upvoted posts where people are complaining about the exact problem you solve. You have the exact language, so now you become the most helpful person in those communities. You do not go in and post,
Hey, check out my app.
That's a no-no. Reddit will smell that from a mile away, see that as overselling, and they will probably ban you or you'll get downvoted. Instead, use Claude Code to monitor those subreddits and flag new posts where someone is describing the pain point. Then I write genuinely helpful replies actually solving part of the problem in the comment without sending a link or trying to sell my solution, just giving them a purely genuine value-based reply. And if they ever ask you something more in the DMs, that's where I'll plug my solution. See, Reddit is one of the highest intent channels on the internet because the people already told you they have the problem. You're not interrupting them with an ad, you're not, making them watch a video. You're literally just answering a question they already asked publicly. And if you're wondering if Reddit marketing really works, my student Hirsch was able to land a $56,000 deal through our Reddit marketing system. So yes, Reddit works. Say no to the haters. And now comes marketing engine number 2, your personal brand, which is probably the most valuable asset you will ever build in your entire life as a business owner. And here's why I'm so confident about this. I got featured on Business Insider for my work in AI agents and AI automation, and business owners flooded my inbox asking me to build systems for them. One of those requests turned into a dental AI client. I didn't cold email anyone, they came to me, and that's what inbound really means. Your content does the prospecting while you sleep. Now, I was only able to get on Business Insider because I made a YouTube video which caught the eye of one of the representatives of Business Insider. But if I never posted that video, my personal brand would not exist. I would never have even got the opportunity. Now, you don't need to be featured on Business Insider. As long as you're creating videos, posting on LinkedIn, posting on X, you are already developing a personal brand. I mean, look at Tesla. Through Reddit marketing and X marketing, she was able to grow her Reddit SaaS sub roast. That's personal branding. And she even creates some YouTube videos that are adding even more lead inflow for her business. And I know you're probably lazy when it comes to marketing, so here's my Claude content pipeline. I prepare a Google Doc with all my written X posts, LinkedIn posts, and YouTube scripts that have performed well. Claude is then able to take these written documents and replicate my voice and create X posts, LinkedIn posts, Reels, and other YouTube scripts for me. I even developed an entire content OS where I have my own suite of mini AI employees that are able to handle LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Reddit for me without me having to do anything, all trained on my data. And I use Claude Code to build that. And this pipeline is what led to this video getting over 200,000 views. So again, I know it works. And if you don't want to even spend time working with Claude to make these posts, just put the Go command in and have it create these posts for you. So by the time you're back from watching your football game, all the posts are there. This is what it really means to operate as a one-person business. And if you hire 1 or 2 human employees, that's fine, because AI is still doing 80% of the work for you. So now that you have your idea, you have your solution built, and you have your marketing engine running, how can you actually close the deals so they can get paid? Well, this is where Claude Cowork comes in, and most technical people completely fumble here. You may have been in a situation. A potential client comes to your sales call, right? And you guys talk about a solution that they want built, and they're like,
Hey, send me a proposal via email.
And then you're like, okay. And then you try to remember everything that was spoken on the call. And you try to draft a proposal and it takes you 2 weeks. And by the time you send that proposal to the client, they've already gone with another agency or another service-based provider. Well, guess what? I use Claude Cowork to build an entire proposal skill for me. It's trained on all my previous proposals that have closed before, so it knows how to write a banger proposal. The pricing structure, the scope of language, the way I frame deliverables, all of it learned from deals that actually work and end up being closed by me. And that's why I love Cowork. You can create the best skills possible that automates entire operations within your company. Like writing proposals used to take me 1 to 2 weeks. Now it takes me less than an hour to do. I even broke it down fully in this video right here if you want to check it out later. And by the way, if you want to make the proposal super pretty, just use Claude Design. It can give you a very clean layout, have a whole system architecture for branding, a beautiful pricing page. So when they get like an HTML style proposal, they're like, holy shit, this is amazing. And they'll also think you're a genius even though you're just using Claude. Now you're probably looking at me like,
Takeshi has so much experience, what about us?
Well, I work with over 200 plus business owners across 50 plus industries and niches and help them scale their AI businesses. Tim, who I mentioned earlier, who got a $5,000 client they're building an AI dashboard email system for, before. Usal, who got a 3K euro client based off of the Reddit marketing system that I've taught him. Neymar, who's been able to scale his app Totsi to over $5,000 a month in revenue in just 30 days working with me. Ben, who's been able to scale his SaaS to $11,000 a month in 3 months working with me. And so many more success stories from people that I've worked with. If you want to work with me one-on-one to scale your AI business, check the first link in the description below. Well, you saw what Claude Code can do, you saw what Claude Design can do, you see what Claude Cowork can do. Now my question to you is, why don't you try it and find out? If you want to learn how exactly I close clients, watch this video next.